In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Live to create Google Task on Samsung Galaxy device. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy and open the Gemini app. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your apps drawer. Give it a second to load so everything is ready. Once Gemini is open, look for the Gemini Live button, which appears as a microphone-style icon on the screen. This is the icon you'll tap to start speaking to Gemini in real time. Tap that icon. You'll see visual feedback indicating that Gemini is listening. Take a breath, speak clearly, and say exactly what you want to create as a task. For example, you can say, "Create a task in Google Tasks about my appointment tomorrow afternoon." Keep your request natural, but include the essentials, what the task is and when it should happen. The clearer your phrasing, the better Gemini can understand you. After you've spoken, pause and wait patiently while Gemini processes your request. You'll typically see a brief on-screen response that confirms it understood what you said. It may show the task details it's creating, such as the title and the time frame you mentioned. If anything looks off, you can simply speak again and restate the request a bit more clearly, but in most cases, it should get it right the first time. Once Gemini finishes, it will create your task in Google Tasks automatically. You don't need to type anything or navigate away. The whole point of Gemini Live is to handle that for you. Give it a moment and then check your Google Tasks to see the new entry. You can open the Google Tasks app or access tasks from within compatible Google apps on your phone. You should see the task title and the timing you mentioned neatly added to your list. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Use specific phrasing like tomorrow afternoon or next Monday at 10 a.m. and include a short, descriptive task title so it's easy to recognize later. If you prefer, you can add a brief note in your spoken request, and Gemini will include that in the task details. That's all there is to it. Open the Gemini app, tap the live microphone icon, say the task you want, wait for the confirmation, and then view it in Google Tasks. With this simple flow, your Samsung Galaxy becomes a hands-free organizer, helping you capture tasks the moment they come to mind.